Hello and welcome to Yarn Addict Adventures. In this video we're going to learn how to make the triple crochet stitch. I'm using a cone of Lily sugar and cream cotton yarn and a 5mm hook known as the eye. I have already worked a foundation chain and a row of single crochet. To make triple crochet stitches you need 4 chains in a turning chain. So we're going to grab our working yarn and we're going to make 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. We're going to turn our work, and to begin a triple crochet stitch you need to wrap the yarn around the hook 2 times so that you have your original loop and 2 wrap loops. Then you will begin to insert the hook into the stitch below, grab the working yarn and pull it through the stitch. We now have 4 loops on our hook, and we're going to wrap it, pull that yarn through 2 of those loops so that we have 3 left. We're going to wrap the yarn again and pull it again only through 2. Now there are 2 left. Wrap and pull through the last 2. This is a triple crochet stitch. Wrap twice, insert, pull up a strand, wrap, pull through 2, wrap, pull through 2, and wrap, pull through 2. Wrap twice, insert, pull up, wrap, pull through 2. Whoops, I lost it. Let's try again. Wrap twice, insert, pull up a loop, wrap, pull through 2, and this will happen a lot. Triple crochet is a little bit tricky in that first section. Wrap, pull through 2, wrap, pull through 2, wrap twice, insert, pull up through 2, wrap through 2, wrap through 2, wrap twice, insert, pull up a loop, wrap again, pull that through 2, pull through 2, wrap and pull through 2, wrap twice, insert and pull up a loop, wrap, pull through 2, wrap, pull through 2, wrap, pull through 2. And we have a row of triple crochet stitches. If you liked this video and you want to learn some more, please subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications. Join me at my website at yarnaddictadventures.com for free patterns and more. Follow me on Pinterest at yarnaddict2 and join me on my knitting and crocheting adventure.